Governor Obiano, who described the Ofala festival as an ancient Igbo cultural heritage, commended the Igwe Of Ukpo dynasty for being consistent in the celebration of the Ofala festival, through which the community is kept united. He noted that it is through the efforts of his administration in the area of security that various kinds of festivities are being held across the state in an atmosphere of calm and peace, assuring that under his watch, the state will continue to be the safest in the country. The governor lauded the efforts of a member of the Eze family and renowned philanthropist, Engineer Arthur Eze, at supporting the Caring Family Enhancement Initiative CAFE program of his wife, aimed at empowering women and vulnerable children in the state, and called on other wealthy in the Anambra to emulate him. Felicitating with Igwe Eze on his 25 years on the throne, Governor Obiano prayed God to grant him more fruitful years as the custodian of the Ukpo kingdom.
For two reasons. Celebration of the Ofala Igwe. He's a custodian of tradition and culture. And I'm a preacher, Okobuna. Culture and tradition. And what you might for can do, say, Mia, Okobuna, a mayor, Messiah, or Galfuma.
Responding on behalf of the traditional ruler, Engineer Arthur Eze described Governor Obiano as a leader with genuine commitment towards improving the lives of the people and thanked him for coming to celebrate with the community. Engineer Eze urged Anambra to continue to support the Obiano-led administration as, according to him, his policies are human-oriented, aimed at emancipating the economically disadvantaged in the state.
Yes,